Hello everyone, welcome to my new project. So I'm working on my new project where I'm fine-tuning a LLM to do coding-based tasks and to help a person to build a full stack web application or a normal applications. And it will help you to create UIs and which can find error debugs. So currently I'm working on a DeepSeek's open source LLM. So let me show you that. Okay, so I'm using Ollama to learn this LLM. I have a little bit fine-tuned this model, but not completely. I'll fine-tune this furthermore, as you can see here. Okay, so we can ask him questions. What is Apple? Okay, so it was little bit answer. Okay, so you can see it's running. So I have to more further fine tune it. I'm using currently Hugging Face to fine tune it. Currently it's running on 6.7 billion parameters. So after fine tuning, it will increase some parameters and I'm deleting some parameters that are not necessary for a coding module because I want to make this module for only coding base. So let's close it. Okay. I'll show you my code. You can see here, I'm using Tkinter for front end and all. I'm using request, JSON, and threading. And here you can see, let me run it. You can see this is my base module. It's just simple UI. You can say if here you can say the model is working, but it don't have that many functions or features. It only have a general code, generate code option, clear and copy response. And I guess the main thing I want to change that I have to increase the size of response window and reduce the size of chat window. I have given the 30-70 ratio, but I don't know why it's happening. I guess I should change this and change little bit of UI. I shouldn't I shouldn't include so many animations and all, just a basic UI which is working because I don't want to stress the computer more because already it's running LLM, so it's using much of GPU power. So after building a nicer model, I'll meet you. So bye bye. So good afternoon, everyone. I have fine-tuned more my module. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my new model or LLM. So here you can ask it. This is my question, and it's little bit faster now because I have fine-tuned it to only answer the computer-based and software-based questions. So in the base data, it only have the features of related to software, and you can also ask him like computer related hardware questions or errors. So this is working perfectly. So I think I should stop this and close it from here. And let's go and let me show you my new model. So previously I was using Tkinter and all and JSON and threading. So now I've introduced the MathQ and this new module, Python text to speech explain module. So what it's doing that I introduced a new feature for speak. So I'll show you. Right. And I'm now using this color variables. So I'm not using the color code line by line downward. So let me show you. Okay, so this is my new user interface. I have not designed it very well, but I have designed it to look good. So this is our general mode for general coding and assistance. This is analysis mode for deep code analysis, and this is debugging mode for bug finder. And this is error finder. I have introduced this new model, and this specialize in finding the syntax error like indentation errors in Python and class errors in Java, and like some errors in Ruby and all. So you can see this is clean code for formatting and optimizing your code. This is code converter. So this can convert any language to any other language. Like you can even convert assembly language or binary language to C. Here you can see converting to C. You can even change to any language like Ruby. Here you can see any it has more than 25 plus language. So you can change to Java or JavaScript. So let's go further. So this is for documentation. You can paste your code here and it will give you a document in PDF format. So you can document your codes. This is for optimization. So it will boost your code's performance. Like you can paste your code here, and if it think that the code need to improve, or if using another algorithm, your code will be faster and its time complexity or space complexity will reduce. Like if you are using somewhere heap sort or a binary tree, and it's thinking that the B plus tree will suit it, so it will give you option or suggestions to change your code. And this is for explanation. So if you have any newer code and you don't wanna paste it on any AI agent on online, you can use it. Oh, let me show that I'm completely offline. So let me turn off my internet and you can see when I refresh, mm, you can see I don't have internet. So I'll close this. After that, let me open my app. Okay, so previously, as you've seen that this windows were something like this and this. It wasn't looking great. It was looking very bad. So I have introduced this new dynamic window. So you can change size of any window from however you like. So currently, I think this will be better. So I'll leave it like this. And I have introduced the speak function here. The copy and clear was previously, and I have introduced a system window and little bit animation here. So let me show you. Mm, I think I should give it a task, write a code to implement. Let's say linked list in, I guess, Python. And if we execute it, you can see here, this is processing. And it has started generating the code. So you can see this on system status, it is also processing. So the system status window can show you the processing, any error, and ready status. So you can see this, it's generating code. For generating code and all, according to your PC specs, it will take lesser or more time. Like this is taking for normal data structures program, it take around 30 to 40 seconds. But if you have greater specs, or like I have RTX 3050, if you have 4050 and above, or you have more than 4 GB VRAM or 8 GB RAM, it will be much faster. Like it will generate the output in 10 or less than 10 seconds. So you can see this. It has generated the full code and it's still processing. And I guess it's explaining the code. So it has implemented a normal linked list which has append function. You can see the status is ready. So the response have been completed. You can see the full response. So this is our Python linked list. And you can copy this much text from here. And this is copied to clipboard. And you can even clear this. And let me introduce my speak function. Uh, Tell me a joke. Execute. Because I have fine-tuned it, it won't tell you a joke because it will only assist you on computer science related topic. And let me show you the speak function.
I'm sorry, but as an AI developed by DeepSeek, I am designed to provide assistance on computer science related topics. While I appreciate the challenge, it doesn't make sense for me to generate jokes or other forms of entertainment. Can I assist you with any programming or technical issues?
Okay, so as you can see this, it's working great. And you can copy or you can clear. It also show the exception in toaster format. You can see I have given exceptions for all things, for copy, for speak, and for everything. So yes, this was my upgraded model. As you can see, I have named it O.M.I because my portfolio website's AI agent is also named O.M.I. You can talk to her on my portfolio website. So thank you for this. And I have achieved my problem statement. So my problem statement was generating 100% privacy AI agent on AI, locally running LLM. So this code, I will upload this code on GitHub. You can copy it from there. And I'll also upload my LLM, which is fine-tuned on Ollama. So you can search O.M.I find LLM on Ollama. You will find my fine-tuned LLM there. So thank you. I'll meet you in another project. Thank you for watching.